Want to make extra cash? Side hustles are everywhere. One of the best? Flipping items on eBay. It's fun, flexible, and you can make serious money. Ready to learn how? Keep watching. And don't miss the bonus tip and bonus side hustle listed at the end of the video. This guide has everything you need to know. We're talking sourcing products, creating killer listings, and raking in that sweet, sweet profit. Let's get started. Flipping is simple. Buy low, sell high. But let's dive deeper into what that really means. You find items at bargain prices, then list them on eBay for a profit. Easy, right? But how do you find these items and what makes them valuable? And the best part? You can flip almost anything. Think of video games, vintage clothes, or even furniture. The key is to know what items are in demand and where to find them. See something at a garage sale for $5 that you know is worth $50 online. That's flipping. But it's not just about finding cheap items. It's about recognizing their potential value. Research is crucial. Spend time online checking prices on different websites and making notes. This helps you understand market trends and what people are willing to pay. Negotiation skills can also come in handy. At flea markets or garage sales, don't be afraid to haggle. The lower the price you pay, the higher your profit margin. Sometimes items need a bit of TLC. Cleaning, repairing, or even repurposing can significantly increase an item's value. A little effort can go a long way. Presentation matters. Take high-quality photos and write detailed descriptions. And the better your listing looks, the more likely it is to attract buyers. Once you make a sale, ensure smooth shipping. Package items securely, print shipping labels, and drop them off at the post office promptly. Good customer service can lead to repeat buyers. Positive feedback and ratings build your reputation. Happy customers are more likely to leave good reviews, which can boost your sales in the long run. Flipping can be a rewarding venture, both financially and personally. With the right approach, you can turn a simple hobby into a profitable business. Many successful flippers have turned their passion into a full-time job. They share their stories, collections, and earnings, inspiring others to start their flipping journey. So, what are you waiting for? Start your flipping journey today. Browse items, make your first sale, and experience the thrill of turning bargains into profits. Happy flipping! So, what are the best items to flip? There are tons of options. Think about things people collect: vintage toys, comic books, even old electronics. Sneakers are super popular right now, especially limited editions. Also look for brand name clothing in good condition. People are always looking for deals. Now, where do you find these hidden gems? The thrill of the hunt is half the fun, and knowing where to look can make all the difference. Thrift stores are a goldmine. These stores are filled with items that people have donated, often in great condition and sometimes even brand new. You can find everything from vintage clothing to rare collectibles. The key is to visit frequently, as new items are always being added. Garage sales, flea markets, and estate sales are also great. These places are perfect for finding unique items at bargain prices. At garage sales, you can often negotiate prices, making it possible to get even better deals. Flea markets offer a wide variety of items, from antiques to handmade crafts. Estate sales, on the other hand, can be a treasure trove of high-quality items, as they often include everything from furniture to jewelry. Don't forget about online marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace and Craigslist. These platforms allow you to search for specific items and compare prices from the comfort of your home. You can find almost anything online, from used electronics to vintage decor. Plus, many sellers are willing to negotiate, so don't be afraid to make an offer. Remember, the key is to look for items in good condition that you can buy for cheap. Always inspect items carefully before purchasing. Check for any damage or wear and tear, and make sure the item is functional if it's something like an electronic device. It's also a good idea to compare prices to ensure you're getting a good deal. Think about what people are looking for online and keep an eye out. Popular items can vary, but things like vintage clothing, retro video games, and unique home decor are always in demand. By staying informed about current trends, you can make smarter purchasing decisions and find items that are more likely to be valuable. Next, attract buyers with amazing listings. Found some awesome items? Time to list them on eBay. First, take clear, high-quality photos. Show the item from all angles. Next, write a detailed description. Be honest about any flaws. Finally, set a competitive price. Look at what similar items are selling for. Next, closing the deal. Tips for successful selling. Once you have some listings up, respond to questions quickly and be friendly. Offer fast shipping and pack your items carefully. Happy customers leave positive feedback, which helps you sell more. Remember, good customer service is key. Be professional and courteous, and you'll build a great reputation on eBay. Here's some more tips and tricks. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Want more tips on making money flipping items on eBay? Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I post new videos every week with even more strategies for success. Don't miss out. Hit that subscribe button and join the community. For example, here's a preview of a video coming soon, driving for ride-sharing apps. Is it worth it? In my next video, we're diving into the world of ride-sharing apps. Is being a driver for Uber or Lyft a good way to make extra cash? We'll explore the pros and cons. Stay tuned for a deep dive into this popular side hustle. Now here's that bonus tip and call to action. Start earning money online today. The internet has opened up countless opportunities for anyone looking to make some extra cash. Whether you're a student, a stay-at-home parent, or just someone looking to supplement their income, there are numerous ways to get started. From selling products online to offering services, the possibilities are endless. Bonus tip: don't be afraid to negotiate. Negotiation is a crucial skill in the world of online business. It can make the difference between a good deal and a great one. When you're buying or selling, always remember that the first offer is just the starting point. Haggling is part of the game, both when buying and selling. It's a dance between buyer and seller, where both parties aim to reach a mutually beneficial agreement. Don't shy away from it. Instead, embrace it as an opportunity to hone your negotiation skills and get the best possible deal. You can often get even better deals if you're willing to negotiate. Many sellers expect buyers to haggle, and they often price their items with some wiggle room. By negotiating, you can save money or get added value, such as free shipping or additional products. Ready to start earning extra cash online. Aside from eBay, the first step is to identify what you're good at or what you enjoy doing. This could be anything from crafting handmade items to offering freelance services like writing, graphic design, or even virtual assistants. Once you've identified your niche, you can start building your online presence and marketing your products or services. Click the link in the channel description to learn about another awesome opportunity: making money by chatting online. This is a great option for those who enjoy socializing and have good communication skills. You can get paid to chat with people from all over the world, replying to Facebook comments, or even being a chat support specialist. It's a flexible and fun way to earn money from the comfort of your own home. Check it out, and then check out our next video about being a rideshare driver.